Alright guys, I'm out here and there ain't no way I'm getting out of this driveway. There's gotta be 3.5 feet of snow on it. I don't know if you can see it, it's awful dark out here. I just got a little trail here, I didn't even make it halfway out the driveway. I don't know if you can see it, but this is my waistline. I'm 6 feet tall, and there is, it's almost up to my belly button right here. It's snowing like crazy. I don't know how the hell I'm getting out of here. Alright, I'm getting my camera out of the snow. See ya.